without the encouragement of your father, man, the world is a dismal place. It's very difficult to be a courageous person unless you have your father in body and spirit behind you. It's very demoralizing. When you need some care, I'll be there, but otherwise, like out into the world with you, that's the right attitude. And for the father, it's like, get your bloody act together. But I'm on your side. It's not because I want to destroy you or demean you or push you down in the dominance hierarchy, but because I want the best in you to emerge.
Little ham sandwich.
The Joshua trees are dying. This national park is one of only 2 places in the entire world where these trees can even grow, but what if they can't grow here anymore? Climate change seems set to kill 90% of the Joshua trees by the end of this century. And if something isn't done, the 1.2 million photos of them on Instagram are going to be nothing more than digital history.